So I already have this ODB that I use to connect to my car, but I've tried it with Motoscan, and it only gives you limited access. You can't reset anything. So I've bought this Unicarscan, which is supposed to do the trick with Motoscan. So the ODB port's just under the seat. There's just a couple of clips. You can pull it off. And connect up. There you go. It's got power already. Just turn it on. You can see the service lights on. It's just been serviced, but obviously I need to reset the service light. Okay, so I'll switch to the app. Motoscan App. Okay, so you can see it was after I managed to pair it up. Just went in, one click, that's it, service light's gone. I am using the full version of the Motoscan software, the professional version, which you have to pay for. I don't think you can reset the service lights if you don't pay for it with the light version. I think you can just check the other bits. So yeah, that ODB port works. Careful, because a lot of the ones they sell on eBay and on Amazon are only for diagnostics only. You can't actually reset anything. So I can't remember the make of one, but there's one that they push it as a Motoscan one, but it's just as good as the other one that I already had. It just doesn't work. I think that one's they're about 60 quid, those ones, and it works. Happy